welcome to bnettv.com. I'm Ria Neilson, and we are here at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. And right now, we are actually being joined by Travis White, who is the Senior Product Manager of the company Pinnacle. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right. First of all, can you let our consumers know a little bit about what it is that Pinnacle does?
Sure. Pinnacle is a video application company. We have two major areas, TV viewing and then home movie making.
Okay.
So on the home movie making side, we make video editing solutions, we make hardware video capture solutions for the consumer. And on the TV viewing side, we have TV tuner cards and TV tuner sticks. So you can watch television in standard definition or high definition on your laptop or on your computer.
That sounds great. Now, obviously, we know that Pinnacle has been around for quite some time.
Yes.
Now, and with everything else that's new and exciting here at the CES show, what have you guys brought to the table for us?
There's two hot announcements that we have here at the show. One is a brand new video editing piece called Video Spin. And the unique thing about here is focused to users who don't want to dig deep into video editing, like our other offerings are quite feature rich.
So that would be more like to a consumer who's sitting at home and doing it, or?
Well, the offerings we have today are home movie making, getting into that hobby.
Yeah.
Video Spin is this new offering that's free, super easy to use.
Like free?
Yeah, exactly. And it's focused to getting your videos up on YouTube, Yahoo Video, other sharing sites, super fast.
Great.
Well, this is Pinnacle Video Spin, and it's a free application. You're able to download it from videospin.com or a couple other sites as well. It's totally free, but it allows you to take your raw video files and make something truly interesting out of it, using transitions, titles, background music, and the like. So I just have some shots here of my recent Bahamas vacation. So I'll just bring a couple of clips down to the timeline. Drag them down just like this. Go on the right or left-hand side here. You have different things you can do: transitions, titles, other photos, music. So we'll go into transitions and maybe bring a crossfade in the beginning here. We can do a wipe as another transition. We can go into titles, and there's a number of titles to choose from. A really good style to them. They're rich. It's not just a piece of text and Arial sitting there, right? So we could bring down one of our titles, pre-named the Crazy Bunch. So we can double-click that to open and edit this title. So one thing I'm going to do here is call it Bahamas. And just to keep the size, maybe extend this a bit and recenter. Put it exactly where I want it. Click OK. So now, also a part of this, I can bring my photos. So as you notice, both photos and videos are coming together in this free application. We're really focusing this at digital still camera users as well. I mean, there's a lot of digital still cameras that are shooting great video, but there's very few applications out there that handle both these assets, videos and photos, coming from the digital still cameras. And that's what this product's all about. So we'll bring in some photos. Here's my wife, Kelly. And maybe we can put in some sound effects, some seagulls or something, or bring in some background music. So let's go ahead and drag that down to the music track of the timeline. Now, there's a couple different things you can do. One, I can zoom in on the timeline a bit. I can put my playhead here and hit the razor tool to cut the music in half, or I can cut video in half as well. On this photo, I can get close to the edge to make it longer or shorter, so I'm trimming right here in the timeline. And there you go. You got some background music, got titles, it's got some transitions. You want to go to the second step, which is called Make Movie. And Make Movie, you can do a number of files. So we have all the files you're going to want. AVI, MPEG-1, DivX. There's some of these file types have royalties that we have to pay on. So there's something called the Advanced Codec Pack that you can purchase to get some of the advanced codecs. But all the free codecs, you got them straight out of the download. Also, directly up to the web is what we do here. So here we have a web button. We have YouTube. Best quality, simply click Create. So I have an opportunity here to name this file, put in a description if I want, put in some tags, flag it as travel or events, and click Continue. Put in your own account for YouTube and sign in. And so what's happening here is the Make Movie process is underway. And once that video is now rendered, it will start the upload process automatically. So you don't even have to go to YouTube or go to another experience to get your video up onto the web, but it's happening right here. Now that the video has been rendered, it's now going through the upload process. We're at 100% right now. And now the application's telling me upload completed successfully. So click this button to the right to view your video online.
Anything else?
We have a new product that's video capture, but it's without a PC.
Love it.
In fact, here it is right here. It's called a Pinnacle Video Transfer.
Okay.
Your analog input from your VCR, DVD player, wherever it's coming to this side. This side is your hard drive, a flash stick, a Sony PSP, an iPod Nano, and you hit record.
Yep.
The video gets transferred onto the device. You hit record again, stops. It's all done.
That's it.
That's it. So what we have here is we have Pinnacle Video Transfer, this device right here. And just so you get the layout, we have a DVD player. It's sending analog video into one side, and out the other side we have a USB connection that's going to our iPod Nano. This could also be a Sony PSP, it could be a flash stick, it could be a hard drive, wherever you want that video to go. Now, this is video capture without a PC. So blue lights, those are good. It tells me I'm ready to go. Here's a mode setting, so you can do good, better, best quality settings, and record. So that's the second button. Red lights tell me it's in action. The video's coming in. It's being transferred to the iPod Nano.
Super.
Hit record again to stop recording. And what it's doing right now, it's initializing the file on the iPod Nano. The iPod Nano right here is doing a synchronizing. So the neat thing about this device, it knows it's an iPod Nano versus a Sony PSP versus an iPod Video, so it knows the right profiles to put on the individual devices. And we'll filter through to our movies, find our movie, and hit play. So it's great quality. It's H.264 video, so it's a really high compression, but a wonderful quality. We have all the way up to full standard definition D1 size, 720 by 480 interlaced video. So it's not just the small stuff either. This can do great quality video.
That sounds great. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it, and you have yourself a great time here at the show.
Thank you.
All right, this has been Ria Neilson for VNetTV.com at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas.